Have a fantastic day, mga ka-fame. We are exploring the coolest river flows in Barangay Bakung, Patikul, Sulu. Hashtag Peaceful Patikul 2023. We will be heading towards a small hut or BFF before we'll be proceeding to the coolest and the most therapeutic river flows in Patikul, Sulu. Continue to share and follow Fame Documentaries.
Life in the mountain is very therapeutic, peaceful, and relaxing, right?
The aroma of kahawasug which we have had is most reminiscent.
We are here at Barangay Bakung, which is in the part of the municipality of Patikul, Sulu. Okay, thank you for touring us here, Kunsar, and of course our tourist guide.
May pagkawalaya. The coolest and the most therapeutic river flows which I have documented. It is located in the municipality of Patikul. Specifically, is located in Barangay Bakung. The natural alkaline and pure mineral water comes from the mountain of Holosu. It's meditating, relaxing, and rejuvenating. It sounds scary, but it's meditating. It's meditating. Look, it looks therapeutic. The greenest forest of the Barangay Bakung here in the municipality of Patikul.